Hi everyone, this is Liam from Snowy's Outdoors, and today I'm here to talk to you about the MH10 headlamp from Ledlenser. The MH10 is lightweight, durable, and has the best weight to power ratio in the MH range. When you purchase this headlamp, you receive the headlamp itself in the box, storage pouch, green and red filters, and you'll also receive the USB recharging cord, which plugs directly into the back of the battery pack, like so. Unlike other MH headlamps that are in the MH series range by Ledlenser, the MH10's battery sits in the back battery pack and is easily accessible by simply twisting that and popping out the battery that way. So once you've installed the battery, the headlamp weighs 158 grams. Lengthways, it's 11 centimeters, width 7 centimeters, and height is 4.5 centimeters. The headlamp is made out of plastic and has a waterproof rating of an IPX4, which means it's water resistant to light rain and light dust particles. The headlamp also features a soft elasticated headband, which is easily adjustable from the side, and it features a clip as well, which you can attach to your belt or a binder in an emergency situation. To turn on the headlamp, all you simply have to do is touch the green button there, and with each click it will cycle through the 3 different settings until it's turned off. The highest setting has a brightness of 600 lumens with a beam distance of 150 meters and will last for approximately 10 hours. From the highest setting, it's just simply one click to go to the next mode, which will give you a brightness level of 250 lumens over a beam distance of 100 meters and an approximate 20-hour battery life. On its lowest setting, it has a brightness of 10 lumens over a beam distance of 20 meters and an approximate 120-hour battery life. Another 2 great features about this headlamp is the rear safety light, which helps someone identify you from behind, as well as the interchangeable red and green filters, which I've already put on. So the filter, to remove it, you just simply pull off and it sits inside of its casing in here. The headlamp also has adjustable focus, which you can narrow and widen the beam. This headlamp also has a tilting feature in which you can lower or raise the headlamp. If you're looking for a lightweight but extremely powerful headlamp, the MH10 is a fantastic choice and is also backed by Ledlenser's 7-year warranty upon product registration. If you'd like to check out more about the MH10 headlamp, then come into store or visit us on snowys.com.au for fast free delivery to most of Australia. Thanks for viewing guys, and we hope to see you soon.